RankBot AI has just been released, and in this review, I'm going to share 7 crucial things you need to know about this AI software. Whether you're a digital marketer, entrepreneur, or someone just exploring AI tools, stick around because this software could drastically improve your workflow. You can try it completely free from the first link below, so be sure to check it out for yourself. Let's dive straight in. First off, RankBot AI is designed to streamline and optimize SEO and content creation. It uses cutting-edge AI to help you rank higher on search engines with minimal effort. It's fast, efficient, and takes a lot of the guesswork out of SEO. One of its strongest features is the keyword research tool. RankBot AI does a deep dive into search trends, competition, and search intent to give you keywords that matter, making your content more targeted. This is invaluable for those trying to compete in a crowded market, saving hours of manual research. Next, the content generation feature is pretty impressive. RankBot AI doesn't just spit out generic content, it analyzes what's working across the web, understands context, and writes with clarity and relevance. This feature is perfect for those needing to create high-quality content quickly, whether it's for blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions. But it doesn't stop there. RankBot AI also has a content optimization feature that ensures your articles are SEO friendly. It checks keyword density, suggests internal and external links, and even offers readability improvements. If you've struggled with optimizing content manually, or wondered why your content isn't ranking well, RankBot AI can help fix that. Another crucial element is the competitive analysis tool. This feature lets you spy on your competitors, showing you exactly what's working for them. RankBot AI will analyze their strategies, ranking keywords, and content approach, and then give you a breakdown of how you can beat them. It's like having a secret weapon in the SEO battle. What I really appreciate is the user-friendly interface. RankBot AI is designed for everyone, whether you're a seasoned pro or someone just starting with digital marketing. The clean layout and intuitive navigation mean you won't waste time figuring out how to use the software. For those looking for data-driven results, RankBot AI doesn't disappoint. The software provides in-depth analytics, showing you how your content is performing over time. This way you can easily track improvements and adjust your strategy accordingly. Plus, it integrates with Google Analytics, so you get real-time data for a more accurate picture of your SEO performance. And of course, RankBot AI is constantly being updated. The team behind the software is committed to making it better with every release, ensuring it stays ahead of industry trends and continues to deliver results. Now, you're probably wondering if this software is really worth the hype. If you're serious about SEO and content marketing, absolutely. RankBot AI is a game changer for those wanting to scale their efforts with less time spent on manual tasks. It's reliable, fast, and integrates seamlessly with the tools you're already using. If you're interested, be sure to try RankBot AI for free through the link below. After trying thousands of AI tools, I can confidently recommend this one as one of the best for improving your SEO and content strategy. Also, make sure to check out my recommended AI software in the description below. These tools have helped me streamline my business, and I think you'll find them useful too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.